friends, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z, and this is day number 4 of my challenge. You guys, we are coming along. I still need to catch up a little bit on day 3, and then we are on day 4 now. So day 4, I just put consolidation of your magazine, books, and patterns. So in the past, I have already went through a lot of my magazine, my books, and I already designated a space for them, and I haven't been buying anything else. So I think they are pretty well matched, but my pattern is the issue. So I did have a system going on where I keep them in these yellow manila folder, but then it got out of control and I didn't have time to organize it better, so I just been shoving some like random pattern in there. So I am gonna go through them and organize it better and probably toss out ones that I don't like anymore or just donate them. Yeah, and I also have a ton of those simplicity and McCall patterns that you guys buy from Joanne from the $1.90, you know, when it used to be $1.99 or $1. And those, I have a spot that I organize them. I think I put most of them in the garage, but a lot of the one that I use are PDF. So all my PDF pattern are printed out and I trace them and I put them in the yellow manila folder. So you guys will see me organize that today, since I'm done with my Etsy order, you guys, so I can fully focus on this challenge and, you know, do more content for you guys. So we will go through that and I'll show you how my system is like. So that'll give you guys some ideas to how to store your own patterns. I also like the pattern where they hang it on like a clothes rack and they hook it up. I think that's the way how they store pattern. Like even in my fashion design department, that's how my teacher, they store the clothing, the pattern, and then they also back it up with like a heavyweight manila paper, like it's yellow, and they make it more sturdier by doing that, and they hook it up and hang on a clothing rack. But I don't think I have space for that, and plus there's so many patterns, I don't think I could do that for every single one. I will probably only do that if there's an outfit that I really like, or that I really like to sew and I want to sew it again, then I will do that to those particular pattern. But for those that I only want to do like 1 or 2 times, then I'm just gonna trace it out and fold it and put it in the manila yellow folder. Okay, so that's the plan for the patterns, because I know all of us have tons of patterns and books and magazines. So for those that I haven't used, like the simplicity one that's in the envelope, those one is not cut up yet. I never cut my pattern. I only trace it. I trace what I need because I feel like, okay, I can reuse it, I can save it for, you know, future use. So I only trace the size I need and do it my adjustment there with tracing paper. So I still have a box full of all the simplicity McCall pattern that I store in the garage. So I'm not gonna go through those because those already store well in the garage. I don't know how well they would do over time, but I think they should do fine. I'm not sure because there's some really old vintage simplicity patterns that survive the test of time, so I think they should survive. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. Tomorrow will just be a catch-up day, so whatever you guys didn't get to finish from day 1, 2, and 3, and 4 today, then, you know, just catch up on tomorrow. And then on Sunday, I plan to do a sit and sew for you guys. So the sit and sew will be a binder cover. I want to do that because what is it? Okay, the business paperwork cleaning day is coming up, so I want to prepare that binder cover so I can use it to cover my binder where I put all my business paperwork, just so I can make it look pretty. And I know we have a lot of fabric, so you guys, it's a good way to use up some of our stash. So we can spare some to make those binders to make our, you know, business paper look pretty. So I just organized my business paper. We'll show you guys, but it's just in a binder. But I want to make the binder look pretty. So when we get to that session, you guys will see how it is, and hopefully you guys can join me on Sunday where we're gonna make the binder cover, and I will post all of the material needs and the community tab today. So I'm gonna try to write it up for you guys and all the dimensions, and I'm gonna cut a couple because I think I'm gonna make a couple. I don't know how many I'm gonna make, but probably 3. So we'll do that on Sunday. So anyways, I hope today will be productive for you guys, and that, you know, you guys are able to consolidate all of your books, magazine, and patterns. And I will check back later today with you guys on my own progress and see what I have done so far. So I'll see you guys later tonight. Bye guys. Take care. Have a fabulous day. Bye everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.